Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. AirPods Pro 2 charged and updated, and your iPhone logged into iCloud with Bluetooth enabled. Once done, open the case next to the phone and accept the animated pairing card. This registers the AirPods to your Apple ID, which is required for spatial audio across devices. Make sure you see both earbuds connected in Settings Bluetooth. If only one connects, reseat them in the case and try pairing again. Next, you enable spatial audio in Bluetooth settings. Tap the info icon next to your AirPods and switch spatial audio on. Choose automatic to let iOS decide based on content, or fixed for a stable spatial stage. Then go to Settings Accessibility AirPods to enable head tracking if you want the sound to follow your head movements. This increases immersion on supported apps. Make sure supported apps like Apple TV or Music are outputting Dolby Atmos or multi-channel mixes for full effect. Finally, verify spatial audio by playing a Dolby Atmos or spatial sample and listening for a 3D soundstage. Use the Control Center audio card to toggle spatial audio and compare. If the stage seems off, recalibrate by restarting the app, reconnecting the AirPods, and ensuring head tracking is set as you prefer. If things still fail, reset the AirPods, update iOS, and repair. This resolves most sync or firmware mismatches. If distortion continues, test with another device to isolate hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.